Okay, this is the last story of our Rooftile trail around the mountainous part of Larnaca district here in Cyprus. It's a Roman story. No, it's not about Romulus and Remus, or even Hannibal and Publius Scipio. Something more down to earth. I picked this roof tile off a field cairn on Sunday. It has a cat's paw print. As I sat holding the tile in the spring sunshine, I sort of dozed off and slipped in that easy way into a dream. I seemed to wake and look around sleepily. First, I noticed a villa on the hill, red and dun tiles and bricks, pencil-like cupressus trees. Didn't recall seeing that before. And the sky was plumbago blue. There was a scent of wood smoke and the salt tang of the sea. Slightly startled, I looked at my immediate surroundings. A pile of greasy-looking clay on the right, a wooden board, and various wooden tools and spades and shovels. There were lines and lines of fresh-made roof tiles, tegulae, drying in the sun, and the hunched blackened bulk of a kiln or an oven. I glanced to the left. There was a large and rather battered-looking tomcat, green eyes watching me steadily. He was on a low wall close to some very freshly made tiles, still glistening with wet. I could smell fish, strong and salty. I was holding a chunk of bread, smeared with a pungent and oily-looking fish paste. Then I realised I was wearing a sort of coarse linen smock and sandals. The cat moved its eyes from my face to my fishy meal and gave a loud meow and headed my way, straight across the still wet clay of the tiles. Now, I did wake up properly. The sun had dipped and it was a bit chilly. I looked down. I was dressed normally in jeans and jumper, my hands still gripping the Roman tile with the cat's paw print. It's not the first one we found. This story is told by Martin Clark, Director of Grampus and Project Officer for Katowice Community Council. Pano Lefkara's village is the last stop of the Rooftiles Heritage Trail. Find the link to the map of the trail in the description to this video below, or contact the Mola Culture Factory for more details.